Okay, it's 9 p.m. on February 1, and it's pretty crazy out here now. I mean, the snow is just blowing and blowing, and there's almost no one outside right now. And we have had some lightning and thunder, and just like in a thunderstorm, sometimes the intensity increases after the thunderclaps. That's how it's happening here. I'll just let you see. These guys are going to try and get out here.
I just got front-wheel drive, it's not a problem.
Okay. I hope. The snow is, I'd say, we're probably up around 10 inches now. 10 inches at 8 inches maybe, somewhere in there. I'm going to get out in the middle of the street here. This is David Avenue. There is not a single car coming. There's one car for the intersection. It's a little bit hard. It's a little bit hard to stand outside here and face the north or the east. So I've turned around here because the snow is blowing so hard, and it's almost like a fire when you have smoke blowing around. It's that much snow, and it's a little bit hard to breathe even sometimes when it's blowing right at you. The wind's sustained, probably about 40 miles an hour, and some bigger gusts. It is actually a little scary out here right now. And these guys did make it out of their parking spot. And pretty much the whole street is, there's a few cars parked, but most people took their cars away. I think they were afraid about being snowed in. And this might be the last video tonight. I may make it out in the morning. Here's a couple more cars coming by.